Hi, my name is Caleb and welcome to my presentation. In this presentation, I will share with you what I did for my website. So for my website, I created 5 pages: the home page, the interest and career objectives page, the stock page, the Adobe Photoshop page, and the contact page. So for my home page, I just did a quick introduction of myself and what I'll be talking about and what my interests are. On the second page, interests and career objectives page, I just shared some of the things that interest me and my career objective, which is to be a hotel business owner, not just in one country, but in different countries. I also included my resume if anybody would like to take a look. And below that, there are some photos of some hotels that not just myself, but other people would be interested in going to. Also a video of a hotel and spa that's very captivating and anybody would be willing to go to. I also have a stock page where I introduced a few stocks that I was interested in and I investigated them for a couple of weeks. I showed cost per share by week. I showed the total value by week. And during those weeks, or at the end of those weeks, I found that I had lost $60.50. Now for my Adobe Photoshop page, I Photoshopped a picture of a Jeep. Here I added just 3 layers where I incorporated my name. I did a little sharpening to the picture and I did a little oil paint effect to the picture. Also, I did a contact page. If anybody has a question or anything, they could ask me here. And there ends my presentation. Thank you so much.